Hey guys, today's video I have some Dollar Tree pool organization and cleaning hacks to share with you guys. Hello you guys, and welcome back to Ria's World of Ideas. If you are new to my channel, I am Ria, and on my channel I love sharing all the ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you enjoyed it so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys in the future that you guys would like. So with all that being said, let's just jump into today's video. In today's video, I have some pool organization and pool cleaning hacks to share with you guys with Dollar Tree products. The hacks I'm gonna be sharing with you guys are ways to organize, their pool item stuff, but also I'm gonna share with you guys 2 little cleaning hacks to keep your pool water clean. And even though my above ground pool may not be the norm of everybody else's, you can still take these hacks and apply them to your pool, because a lot of things that I'm doing, I'm using zip ties to attach things to them, and most above ground pools have those poles on them, and so you can easily attach things with zip ties to them. And also if you have an in-ground pool and let's say you have that, the fence around it to keep the kiddos away, to keep them safe, you can also apply all these hacks to it as well, or you can get creative with how to do it. But either way, I feel like you're gonna find these hacks helpful. And the 2 cleaning ones at the end are also ones that you can apply to any pool. So let's just get started so I can share with you guys these Dollar Tree pool organization and cleaning hacks. Now, before we jump into the hacks, I want to give you guys a little overview of my pool, because I know some of you guys might be asking about it once you see me organize it. This is an above ground pool. It's a kayak pool. It's not one of those pools that you can buy at the store. We actually contacted a pool company and they came and set this pool up. I love this pool because it has like 2 drains in the bottom and a skimmer, which keeps the water very clean, and it's like very low maintenance for me to keep up. Plus it has a safety fence around it, around the deck, and the ladder that is used to go in and out the pool actually folds up, and you can lock the pool up, so that way you're able to keep it safe from the little kitties. Whenever it's not in use, you're actually able to lock up this pool. So the first hack I want to share with you guys is how you can organize some of your pool items with these wall hooks that you can find in the tool section at Dollar Tree. I actually prefer the wall hooks better over the door hooks for this hack, because they lay flatter onto any surface with zip ties as opposed to the ones that go over the door. Now the zip ties I'm going to be using in this video are the ones I purchased at Walmart. I prefer these because you get a better bang for your buck than Dollar Tree, and they're a lot stronger than the ones at Dollar Tree as well. Now I attached one of these wall hooks to the entranceway of my pool because I wanted a place where we can hang our towels, and I figured that having it right by the entranceway of our pool would just make it easier for people to grab their towels in and out as they go in and out the pool. So that's what I used mine for. But you can use these wall hooks for so many more things in pool organization. You could put the goggles on there. You can attach little buckets on there and put, your suntan lotion so you can reapply it, bug spray. You can use these hooks for multiple things, not just for towels, but I think they're perfect for towels because you can fit so many towels on this one rack of hooks, and it's only $1.25. So you can attach one like I did. You can attach 2 depending on what you're doing. Even if you have a different pool than I do, you can attach this to any part of your pool that has like a pole or some type of surface where you can loop it through to attach the hooks. Now the hooks, the zip ties that I'm using, they're actually 8 inches, but Walmart does sell a variety of sizes, so if you need a little bit longer length, they do have them. Now another hack that I want to share with you guys is if you live in a place like Texas like me, or another place where it's really windy, a way that you can prevent your towels from flying away is to grab these jumbo size clothespins that are in the laundry section at Dollar Tree to clip down your towels. Guys, last year we had our towels flying all around the backyard. Even when they were wet, we just had them hanging over kind of like our little gate that we had, and they still blew away. So with this hack, I love it because you can just put your towels on the hook, clip it down with the little clips, and don't have to worry about your towels flying away and getting dirty with grass and dirt. Another way that I use the wall hook rack was to create a holder for our pool skimmer. And guys, I was so happy that I was able to create this because you will not believe how much some of these holders, these like pool essential holders, cost in these stores. So the fact that I was able to create one for $2.50 inside my pool was amazing. And it's like easy access. We're able to grab it when we need it and put it away when we don't. Another one of my favorite items from Dollar Tree to organize with is these huge baskets right here. And again, I've used these all over my house, just like with the wall hooks. And what I love about these is these will be perfect to organize like the pool toys, because they have holes in them. Whenever you put your kids pool toys in there, they're able to drain out and they won't, cause mildew or anything. So these are perfect for water toys or for whatever you want to put, water shoes, flip flops, anything. What I'm using it for is to store extra outdoor towels. I wanted a place to put the outside towels and keep them outside, because we always forget them if we keep them inside. So I have one basket in this corner and one basket in the other corner of the pool to keep all of our towels, our extra towels, so that we don't forget them when we go outside, because they will always be outside. Another way that I use these baskets outside is to store our flip-flops. We do not wear shoes in our house, so when we're going in the backyard, we're going to need to put something on our feet. So I have these two baskets sitting right by my door so that we have some flip-flops, ready for us. And I zip tied them to my swing so that they don't blow away, because again, we have these bad winds in Texas that blow everything away. Another hack for organizing small water toys is by grabbing one of these mesh laundry bags. You get 3 in a pack. They're in the laundry section at Dollar Tree. Take one of them and zip tie it to your pool, and it's the perfect place to organize all those small toys and goggles that you get. I wouldn't put anything heavy in this because I don't feel like the mesh bag can hold that much weight, but again, it's perfect for like the small water toys and goggles. And I prefer to put like smaller toys in here because sometimes smaller toys can get lost in big baskets. So this is like the perfect place to organize all those little small water toys and goggles. And again, because it has holes in it, it's able to drain out the water, so you don't have to worry about mold or mildew. And I didn't mention it earlier, but the blue baskets, I did zip tie those to the pool as well, because again, I told you the winds are just bad here in Texas, so everything blows away. So the basket is zip tied to my pool, and also the little mesh bag as well. Everything in this video is zip tied to the pool, so there will be no way for them to like blow away. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of pool floaties, and I've been trying to figure out a way to organize them with some type of Dollar Tree product, but I couldn't come up with anything until I saw this YouTube video by The House That Never Slumbers. She was sharing some ideas, and one of her ideas was that she used a dog leash from Dollar Tree to organize her pool floaties. And I thought this was genius, because first I was trying to use bungee cords from Dollar Tree, but they are very small, so that would never work. And the fact that she found this idea, because it's like the extra large ones are 5 feet long, so it's the perfect size to kind of corral all your floaties. So guys, I was able to organize all my pool floaties on the back of my pool with these dog leashes. This is like the most genius idea, and I'll link her video down below and also her channel down below, because I love to give credit where credit is due, and I will link her down below. Definitely go to her channel, show some love, because this was a genius idea. But I was able to loop 2 of like the donut type of flamingo and the butterfly together in one, and also the 2 donut ones together. And because it's a dog leash, I was able to loop the part that goes onto the dog leash and onto the handle, so it's easy to like loop them together, take them off, so it's easy access for me and the kids to take them off and to put them back on. They're at the back of my pool so nobody can see it, and this way I'm organizing them, but they're also outside and able to dry as well when they're always wet. I did have to use 2 of the dog leashes for the longer one, but that was fine. I didn't mind that. And that's what she actually did with hers. She had 2 dog leashes to organize her long floaty. And then I was able to use just 1 dog leash for the alligator that I had. And the other one, I just wrapped it up as well and tucked it in. But this idea was genius, guys. This is like one of my favorite hacks. The next hack that I want to share with you guys is that you can grab one of these drawstring mesh laundry bags in the laundry section at Dollar Tree and use it to organize your pool noodles. Now, I found this idea on Jessica Lynn at Home's YouTube channel. I will link her YouTube channel down below, and also the video that I got this from, because she was sharing a bunch of pool hacks and organization hacks as well. So definitely check that out and show her some love, because you guys know I like to give credit where credit is due. But this is just an amazing way to organize your pool noodles. And again, I use zip ties to attach them to my pool, and because the mesh bags have holes in them, again, when you put the pool noodles in it, they're able to drain out the water, so you don't have to worry about any mildew getting caught in these bags whenever you're storing your pool noodles. Now, these last 2 hacks are all about trying to keep that pool water as clean as possible this summer. Now, this first hack that I'm gonna share with you guys, I've seen it all over Pinterest, all over YouTube, Instagram before, and also the House That Never Slumbers YouTube channel also shared it as part of their hacks as well. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab one of those dish pans from Dollar Tree. If you can't find the dish pan, you can also grab one of those pet litter boxes that they also have in the pet section at Dollar Tree. That will work just as well. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill it up with water, water and have it by the entranceway of your pool. That way, if the kiddos or anybody else is playing in the yard and they get grass on their feet or dirt on their feet, they can dip their feet into that basically foot bath and rinse their feet off before they get into the pool. And that'll prevent from you getting like more grass or dirt in your pool, and that way you're not having to clean it so much. The last Dollar Tree pool hack that I want to share with you guys is how you can take one of these butterfly nets that you can find in the summer section at Dollar Tree and use it as a pool skimmer. I actually saw this idea on J Money DIY's latest YouTube video where she was sharing some summer hacks, and she shared on how to use this as a pool skimmer, especially with her little one. I will link that video down below and also her channel down below. Show her some love as well. But this is such a great idea to use as an extra pool skimmer for the little ones because it's very lightweight, but also when I'm in the pool and sometimes bugs try to fly in when we're in the pool as well, this is also great to have close by so that you could just grab those bugs or any type of stuff that get in the pool while you're in there, and you're not having to hold or carry the big pool skimmers that tend to be very heavy. And this butterfly net also fits perfectly in the drawstring mesh bag that I use for the pool noodle storage, so I already have storage for it whenever I'm not using it. So those are my hacks on how I'm going to keep my pool items organized and how I'm going to keep the pool water clean this summer. Let me know in the comments down below which hack was your favorite. Mine, I have to say, is the dog leash, because I've been looking for an idea for a while on how to store all those huge floaties in a way where I could store them but they could still like air dry and they're easy accessible for me and the kiddos. And so when I saw the dog leash hack on that video, I thought it was brilliant, and as you guys can see, it fit perfectly in the back of my pool so nobody can see it. And I did check it the next morning to see if any of them flew away, and no, they still stayed there. And the winds here in Texas can blow things away a lot, so I was super excited that everything worked as far as that hack. So I'd have to say that the dog leash is my favorite hack, but you guys let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. And if you got any more pool organization or pool cleaning hacks that you guys love with Dollar Tree products, let me know in the comments down below, because you guys know I love learning from you guys. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.